Hello, I'm going to teach you the proper way to troubleshoot a network issue and solve it using simple steps. So first, in the search bar at the bottom, type control panel and click on it to open. Now find and click on network and internet. So once you're in network and internet, click on network and sharing center. Now open the system troubleshooter problems. Next, click on the troubleshooter. You'll see on most frequent the network and internet. Click on run next to it. The troubleshooter will now run a test on your network, so this may take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's finished, you should see a message like good news, you're connected. If the troubleshooter didn't find any problems, your network is likely working fine. So that's it for today. I hope this quick guide helped you out.